In the year 1953, a child was born in Imambara Hospital of Hooghly district in the state of West Bengal, whose parenthood being late Shri Kanailal Banerjee Purnapatra and late Srimati Subarna Latika Purnapatra, named the second child as Swapan Banerjee Purnapatra, the present Deputy Inspector General of Police, Intelligence Branch of West Bengal. Father late Kanailal Banerjee Purnapatra used to work in Kolkata Police. He had a great admiration for his father due to his honesty and simple living, high-thinking attitude. From his father's established school, Ramakrishna Shiksha Niketan, in the year of 1968, he passed school final. As a student, he had a great recognition in the school, which is still being remembered passionately by all the teachers of the school.
Swapan Banerjee Purnapatra আমাদের বিদ্যালয়ের প্রাক্তন কৃতি ছাত্র, তিনি বিদ্যালয়ের গৌরব। তার বাবা ছিলেন এই বিদ্যালয়ের প্রতিষ্ঠা পরিবারের অন্যতম। তার ছবিও আমাদের বিদ্যালয়ে যত্ন সহকারে শ্রদ্ধার সঙ্গে রক্ষিত রয়েছে। সবথেকে বড় তার অবদান, যেটা অনেক শিক্ষিত মানুষ করেন না, দুস্থ ছাত্রছাত্রীদের সাহায্যের জন্য তিনি উদার হাত বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছেন। উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক বিভাগে যেসব ছেলে মেয়েরা 60% বা তার বেশি নাম্বার পেয়ে ভর্তি হয় এবং পারিবারিক আয় 60,000 টাকা কম, সেই সব ছেলে মেয়েদের পড়াশোনার জন্য তিনি 1,000 টাকা করে অনুদান দিচ্ছেন।
After that, he took admission in Mohsin College, the most renowned college of Hooghly district. Shri Swapan Banerjee Purnapatra graduated from there, and then in the year 1974, he passed Master of Arts in Political Science. Thereafter, he continued his study. In 1976, from Hooghly Training College, he passed B.Ed, and in 1982, from Calcutta University, he completed his bachelor degree in law. This way, with his passion towards studies, he acquired a great knowledge in many subjects, including music lesson, which added a new dimension to his life. Though he was not belonging to a music family, but he had the scope of listening gramophone records, which influenced him to learn music. After that, he formally started learning music from Shudha Mukul Roy of Chinsura in Dhrupad and Rabindra Sangeet. He then took lesson in modern song from Manas Ghoshal of Kanakshali Chuchura, and later he learned Khyal and Bhajan from Prabir Bandyopadhyay of Shalkia Howrah. Simultaneously, he pondered deep over music method in his B.Ed and came across with many music maestros, which enriched his knowledge a lot. Few to be mentioned are renowned Shri Hemanta Mukhopadhyay, Shri Dipankar Chattopadhyay, Shri Amar Paul, Shri Kanu Bhattacharjee, Shri Mrinal Bandyopadhyay, Shri V. Balsara, and Shri Pulak Bandyopadhyay. Shri Purnapatra's debut album, a cassette of 10 songs, was published by the renowned Gathani company with Shri Pulak Bandyopadhyay and Shri Kanu Bhattacharjee as music composer. The album was well received, and it introduced Purnapatra as a very talented musician to the audience. He also performed songs composed by Shri Hemanta Mukhopadhyay. He was called upon by Akashvani and Doordarshan simultaneously and endeared for his performance. Later, he published many cassettes dedicated to various types of devotional songs like Annadagiti, Ashimanandagiti, etc. For his great devotion in music, Shri Purnapatra acquired the art of writing poetry and prose himself. He has written many poetry and songs. One such example of his own creativity is his self-written and composed cassette album Abar Jokhon Ashbo Fire. In the year 2006, he published his Rabindra Sangeet CD titled Shopon Parer Dak.
Shopon Parer Dak শুনেছি জেগে তাই তো ভাবি কেউ কখনো খুঁজে কি পায় স্বপ্ন লোকের চাবি জেগে
His most famous recorded song, Janutar Bondhu To Amra, Tobu Keno Bhool Boje Shokole, still is a source of inspiration for all police personnel. To commemorate the martyrs of Kargil War, he dedicated the album Mittu Joyi Veer Jawan, which was self-lyricized composed and sung, and was published from a renowned record company of Kolkata. In his early professional career, he started teaching in Shukantanagar Anukul Chandra School for a few months and then got employed in Cooperative Land Development Bank of Ghatal, Midnapur. After working for a few months there, he appeared in the Public Service Commission examination and got appointed in the Department of Legal Remembrancer. He was then posted to the Agricultural Department in Writers Building. Working in many departments within a short span of time, he gathered considerable experience which helped him to get through the Civil Service Examination. In 1982, he qualified the Civil Service Examination with the highest marks in B Group and joined the Police Training College, Barrackpur, for undergoing training of Deputy Superintendent of Police. After successful completion of training in the month of July 1985, he was posted to Murshidabad district as Deputy Superintendent of Police. Then, in 1986, he was posted to Bankura district as DSP D&T. During his tenure in Bankura district, Shri Purnopatra had solved many complicated cases in his own effort. Noteworthy of mention was the arrest of a counterfeit currency making gang leader, where he was not only present being incognito but also exerted his intelligence and personality to catch the leader of the gang. One more incident happened at a distance of 10 kilometers from the Bankura town, from where a dead body of a girl was recovered from inside a well. In this case, after interrogating mother of the deceased, he caught the main accused of murder. After this, he worked successfully in many crime-prone districts. From 1988 to 1991, he was in charge of Howrah town, and from 1991 to 1995 in Asansol. In 1995, he was posted to the Criminal Investigation Department of West Bengal at Bhavani Bhavan, Kolkata. While he was there, in his leadership, many important cases of CID were solved. After that, he was appointed as DSP Industrial of South 24 Parganas District and then as SDPO Diamond Harbour. He earned great reputation and then he received promotion to the higher rank of Additional Superintendent of Police. In the year 2002, after working as Additional SP North Chobbish Parganas, he was posted as Additional SP Barashat in 2003 and nominated as IPS in the same year. The District Police Force of Murshidabad is always seen to praise Shri Purnopatra for his social service and amicable behavior.
আমার যা কিছু অসুবিধা হতো আমি সাহেবকে বলতাম, স্যার আমার এরকম অসুবিধা পড়েছি, সে অর্থনৈতিক বলুন, চাই কাজকর্ম দিক দিয়ে বলুন, আমি যখন গেছি সাহেবের বাড়িতে তখন কিন্তু স্যার আমার উপকার করেছে। সাহেব যখন চলে যায় তখন কিন্তু আমি চোখে জল ফেলি যে এই লোকটা কিন্তু আজকে পুলিশ লাইনে আমাকে নিয়ে এসেছিল, এই পূর্ণপাত্র সাহেব, যার অবদান আজকে দুটো ডাল ভাত খাচ্ছি আমি। তো লোকটা ঋণ আমি কোনোদিনই শোধ করতে পারবো না। তো আমি সবসময় ওনাকে স্মরণ করি, উনি যেন ভালো থাকুক, এইটুকু আমি ঈশ্বরের কাছে কামনা করি।
In the year 2005, he received his next promotion and was posted as the commanding officer of the State Armed Police 11th and 13th Battalion, Purulia. On his effort, he made a spacious dining hall for both the battalion force within a span of 1 year. The force no longer needed to have their food in open air after that. Water problem was almost solved due to foundation of 2 water reservoirs. Intercom was installed, unit police band was formed, and repairing work of damaged barracks were done. Various refresher training courses were conducted regularly to give the officers momentum and for discharging optimum responsibility of the force, that is, to enforce law and order in the society. In addition to physical efficiency, the force of the unit became more efficient in handling sophisticated weapons. The force of the battalions also showed their efficiency in the field of sports and games, which was reflected in the annual sports meet where not only the police but also the general public participated. As part of the society development projects, Shri Purnopatra organized blood donation camps. Financial help was extended for the poor and meritorious students. The economically backward people were also helped by distribution of apparels. Due to the inspiration and help of such a culturally well-acclaimed leader, the force, irrespective of all ranks, took part in various quiz competitions and cultural programs. Apart from the entrusted work of regular police force, a great responsibility to improve good public police relation also rests upon the new generation of police. In view of this, Shri Purnapatra helped establish a primary school named Dishari. In another permanent school, some of the personnel were encouraged to participate as voluntary part-time teacher for the poor students. A health center for facilitating emergency treatment was also formed, known as Shebayon. This way, the Golden Chariot of 11th Battalion SAP swayed its victorious flag with the footsteps of Shri Purnapatra. The barren land is full of green today.